Hey everyone, it's HelloVSTV. Today we are taking a closer look at two lenses that have been getting a lot of attention in the anamorphic world. Sirui's Astra series 50mm and 100mm anamorphic sign lenses. I will also leave my discount code in the description below in case you want to check them out and save 5%. And before I start unboxing, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Right away, I love how safely Sirui packaged these lenses, and once you take them out, they feel really solid. The build quality is great, they feel premium but still very affordable. Mounted on a mirrorless body, and balance is great, whether you are shooting handheld, on a rig, or on a gimbal. The fact that these anamorphic lenses have autofocus is a huge plus. Sirui clearly thought about run and gun creators who don't want to chase focus manually all day, especially when shooting fast-moving content. At a 1.33 times squeeze, you get a beautiful widescreen cinematic ratio. The lenses render pleasing skin tones, nice contrast, and very smooth background fall-off. You still get that classic anamorphic look, horizontal flares, oval highlights, and an immersive widescreen image, but without fighting the shot. The 50mm is the everyday champ, and honestly, it's one of my favorites. It's incredibly versatile, from medium portrait to storytelling coverage and cinematic B-roll. If you are shooting narrative projects, YouTube films, interviews with style or lifestyle content, this lens sits right in the sweet spot. Focus is sharp in the center and very pleasing across the frame. At wider apertures, the background softens beautifully while still keeping character and detail. Now the 100mm is where things get punchy. If you are looking for a compressed background, tight framing, and more dramatic visuals, this lens delivers. It's perfect for portraits, beauty shots, close product work, cinematic music videos, or anytime you need strong subject separation and impact. This is not just a longer lens, it's a creative tool that completely changes how your story feels. In real-world shooting, autofocus is very usable. On cameras with eye and face detection, it keeps up nicely, and tracking feels solid for run and gun setups. It's not traditional cinema manual glass, and that's exactly the point. These lenses are built for creators who want cinematic texture without fighting focus all the time. I believe these lenses are made for indie filmmakers, content creators, music video directors, and narrative shooters. Basically anyone who wants cinematic visuals without a cinematic price tag. If you like bold images with personality and are not afraid of a little artistic flair, this series will definitely excite you. Both lenses offer great value, and each one brings something unique to your toolkit. If anamorphic visuals are your craft, these are lenses you should seriously consider affordable, cinematic, and absolutely ready for real creative work. That's it for today's review. I'm hoping to get more Sirui lenses soon so I can show you even more. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.